This is an FRL system from Mindman. An FRL system consists of a filter, pressure regulator and a lubricator. With Mindman, you're in a good position when it comes to quality, and in this video I will explain how to choose the right model. But first, why do you need these components? Good air treatment is important because air that comes out of the compressor is polluted with dirt, oil and water. Moreover, the air pressure is often not correct or the air still needs to be lubricated. Poor compressed air treatment can damage the equipment and reduce performance. A good FRL system ensures that the system performs optimally, and it has three main functions. Filters remove water and dirt and other harmful particles. Pressure regulators adjust the outgoing air pressure to a set value. And lastly, the oil lubricators grease the equipment by emitting a controlled mist of oil. We offer these three functions separately or as a combined device. My tip is to only choose a lubricator if your equipment actually requires it. Most equipment, such as our valves and cylinders, are self-lubricating. A filter regulator is then sufficient. My next tip is to install a filter regulator for your equipment instead of just a pressure regulator, or even if your compressed air is already dried and filtered. For a relatively small extra cost of around $10, this will protect your devices against any dirt or moisture that may have accumulated in the system. It is important not to select a system that's either too small or too large. Keep in mind that the maximum flow rate is not enough to determine whether a model is suitable for your application. Use a flow curve to determine whether the pressure drop within your expected minimum and maximum flow rate is acceptable for you. On the flow curve, you will see several lines representing the pressure drop at increasing flow rates for different set output pressures ranging from 1 to 6 bar. The input pressure is 7 bars in each case. When making your choice, please make sure that the curve is as flat as possible and that you're not at the beginning or at the end of the curve. We supply Mindman systems with quarter, 3/8 or half-inch connections. And different versions are suitable for a maximum flow rate between 400 to 4000 liters per minute. And these are the most important things to pay attention to, but in addition to these functions, there are many extra options available, such as, for example, fully automatic condensate drainage. Now, 3 reasons why a filter regulator is the perfect product for you. It increases the reliability of the compressed air system, less energy is wasted due to inappropriate work pressure, and a longer lifetime of the equipment. Do you still have any questions about a filter regulator or any other product? Just contact me or anyone else from Tameset.